In this video, I will discuss how to create a Google Sheet API key to read and write Google Sheet. Here you can see updating or appending Google Sheet. Here you can see it added new data as we mentioned here. And this script can read Google Sheet. All is happening using account.json or Google Sheet API key that I will guide you how you can create. To create Google Sheet API key, you need to go to console.cloud.google.com. From here, you need to create a new project or select already created project. I will create a new project here. You can name it anything like how to create Google Sheet API key and then click on create. It will create project and then you need to select this project. After select project, you need to search for Google Sheet API and then you need to enable this API or this service to your project. Once it is done, you need to create credentials to use this service. Click on create credentials. After clicking create credentials, you will see this page. Simply you need to click on application data, then click on next. Then you need to write a name for your service account. You can name it anything, Google Sheet. And then click on create and continue. Skip the steps. Then for permissions, you need to give editor permission to Google Sheet. And then click on continue. Then you need to skip this and click on done. Now service account is created. You need to download key for this service account. Go to credentials. Click on this newly created service account. Then go to keys and then click on add key. Create new key and select JSON and click on create. It will download a JSON file and this JSON file will contain important information to your service account and credentials. You can access to Google Sheet using this JSON file. And to share access to the service account, you simply need to copy email of the service account and share access to target Google Sheet to the service account. And now using this service account, you can read and write this Google Sheet. Let me show you. This is file we downloaded. Let's try to first read this Google Sheet. Here it can read, and now let's try to update this Google Sheet using service account we just created. In this way, you can test your Google Sheet API key, is it working or not. Here you can see it appended new data as we requested. So this is how you can create Google Sheet API key. You can use any language. I am just testing with Python. Thanks for watching.